guys, Aaron here. Quick video driving the Camaro SS. It's my uncle's Camaro. This is actually the very first video I ever recorded, like car related, was in this Camaro. So it's actually kind of neat driving it again, just for a quick little spin. This is a 2010 Camaro SS. It has the 1LE exhaust package on it. It is an automatic, which is fine, but it's pretty neat. It sounds obviously amazing, which is awesome. So we'll try to get a little bit of footage of me kind of hitting it a little bit on the highway, but nothing too crazy because it's obviously not mine. But this car is super cool. Maybe someday I'll be able to buy it, but who knows. Hopefully it's still around and I'll have the ability to buy it, which would be awesome. But we're in sunny San Diego, California. This is my spring break, so we're out here for the week, and it's obviously nice having a car like this in the driveway to take out once in a while. So different from the Celica with its, little 140 horsepower 4-cylinder engine. This is totally different. This is 435 horsepower, I think. I don't know, I have no idea about the torque, but pretty neat stuff. Obviously
keep right onto College Avenue North.
It's the GPS. But obviously it steps up much quicker than the Celica ever would.
In 1.6 miles, turn right onto Princess View Drive.
But I don't know what, I mean there's definitely a couple blind spot issues, but it's really not as bad as anyone ever says it is in all those car reviews that I've watched, at least. If it isn't well known at this point yet, the Camaro is my favorite car. I would love to have one of the new 6th gen Camaros. There's another Camaro right there. I'd love to have one of the new 6th gens, but this is obviously a 5th gen. But it's still pretty awesome, and the shape of the car is extremely similar, so the blind spots and stuff isn't too bad, I don't think. I think it's awesome looking out in the mirrors and seeing the little Camaro hips and stuff, and the rear view is pretty small, but the blind spots they're not atrocious. They could be better, obviously, but it's pretty cool. I like the skinny windows here. That's really cool. Like the slim windshield, I think it's awesome. These cars are so cool. But as you can see, we're in sunny Southern California. My favorite part of the US is the American Southwest, so hopefully Upshift Unlimited will move to the Southwest from crummy Rhode Island. We'll see when that'll ever happen. So there's lots of awesome cars down here in Southern California. They're all so much nicer and shinier than they are in Rhode Island, where it snows all the time and it's all the cars are rusted out and stuff. This is so much nicer. It's so much easier to keep cars in better shape here. Get another acceleration, sort of. Just a little bit. This car sounds so good though. Suspension.
Half a mile, turn right onto Princess View Drive.
Thanks. Suspension's a little rough, but it's no different from really the Celica. We'll get some outside shots of the car after we get to where we're gonna go, but this car is awesome. So on the outside it's got the Z28 replica wheels. It's got the orange exterior. It's got a cool hood fade. It's got some little gill things on the side. There's little vinyl inlays in
Right onto
those.
Princess View Drive.
It's got a sunroof. It's got the little optional gauges down here, which is pretty cool. Little Stingray convertible. Cops or anything, that would suck.
Turn left onto Cape Court. The destination is on your left.
And the brakes are obviously, the brakes are very good. I think they're Brembo brakes all around. But this car is just awesome. I love the bunker feel that you're in this car. It's so cool. It's so much less open than the Celica, which is obviously awesome. All right, so here it is from the outside. Get some exhaust. See the wheels, pretty cool wheels. They're super deep. And it's got these cool little aftermarket LED daytime running lights, which are awesome. There it is, quick video. Cool 80s. Ooh, looks like a license plate lights out. Yep. Alright, well that's it for this video, guys. I'm at my uncle's work, so if you guys enjoyed it, let me know down below. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. I'm out of here.